Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you notice it's going to be raining for today and tomorrow right here in the state of Maryland. And as of right now in the state of Maryland where you live, it's going to be 52 degrees Fahrenheit cloudy with a pollen yellow of high, wind 7 miles per hour, humidity 96%, feels like 52 degrees, visibility 0.9 mile, UV index nothing, pressure 30.6 inch, dew point 51 degrees. Notice it's going to be 54 degrees, rain, and tomorrow will be rain showers around 55. So therefore, today, tomorrow will be rain. Now let's go over to the Doppler radar in HD. So as you know, we're gonna get to the wind in just a moment. But first, we're gonna stick with the Doppler radar in HD. So you may notice right here in the state of Maryland where you live, it's like in Garrett County and Allegheny County, and even in Washington, rain is right now. But later on at 3 will be rain in Baltimore County, Harford County, Cecil County, and so on. So it's going to be rain all day long and all night long, and so is tomorrow. Now, with the wind, so right here in wind, we're showing Baltimore and BWI Airport showing 6 miles per hour. The highest number is in Annapolis and Westminster. In Hagerstown, you know it's going to be nothing. The lowest number is in Cumberland with 1 miles per hour. 3 miles per hour in Frederick, 7 miles per hour in Washington, Cambridge 8 miles per hour, and so is Salisbury. 9 miles per hour in Lexington Park. So ladies and gentlemen, right here in the state of Maryland, there's mostly going to be cloudy. Of course, it's going to be clouds all over in the state of Maryland and all the counties where you live. Humidity, we're showing some are going to be with more than 80%, like in Cambridge, Lexington Park, and Salisbury. Nearly 90% is in Annapolis and Washington. More than 90% is in Baltimore, and nearly 100% is in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster. With the visibility, we're showing different colors. So we're gonna start off with purple. So purple is definitely in Baltimore, like 3.7 mile. Westminster 4.2 mile. 3.4 mile in Washington. 3 mile in Cumberland. Cambridge 4.2 mile. With the red stuff showing 3.4 mile in Salisbury, Lexington Park 3.2 mile, Hagerstown 2.7 mile. With the sea level pressure, so we're showing some are going to be lower 2s, mid of. Oh, and don't forget. All right, so we're showing 30-inch, more than 30-inch is in right here in the state of Maryland, and some are going to be with nearly 30-inch. So in Baltimore right now, you notice it's going to be Baltimore 30-inch. With the dew point showing the green stuff right here in the state of Maryland, mostly, except the sky blue. So we're showing 40 degrees Fahrenheit Cumberland. Other than that, mostly in Maryland, for all yours, right here in Maryland where you live, so we're showing some are going to be nearly 50s, more than 50s, and nearly 60s. Air quality index there, you know it's going to be 30 that are good right here in Baltimore. But as of right now, we're showing 29. Alright, 48 in Cumberland, Hagerstown 57, 50 in Frederick, 35 in Westminster, Annapolis 31, 58 in Washington, Lexington Park 29, Cambridge 25, and Salisbury 37. Now with the pollen. Ooh, pollen. So we're showing some are going to be yellow, they're going to be moderate. Orange are going to be high. We're going to start off with moderate where you live. So, like in Cumberland, we're showing 40, Hagerstown 46, Frederick 58, Westminster 56, same thing in Baltimore, Annapolis 60, Washington 64, Cambridge 65, same thing in Salisbury and Lexington Park. So we're showing the moderate in Harford County, Cecil County. We have a little bit of the orange stuff right here in Cecil and Harford, with the orange showing a little bit in Baltimore County. Alright, so with the full color of orange at our high, so we're definitely showing on the other side of Maryland, including Ocean City. Now temperatures are going to be cold outside, so we're showing some are going to be on the 40s, some are going to be on the 50s. And finally, precipitation. Precipitation is showing Cumberland, even in Garrett County, Allegheny County, and Washington County. If you live those counties, you know it's going to be precipitation. So, precipitation is going to be approaching mostly all over in the state of Maryland and even all of these counties. So that's right, it's going to be rain. So it's going to be light rain showers. And so is tomorrow with the rain showers. So the direction of the precipitation with the rain is going to be heading on the northbound side, pushing through Maryland. So, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a Areal Flood watch. I want you guys to pronounce this. Pronounce this. Say it with me. Areal Flood. Areal Flood. Areal Flood. Hope you got it. So we do have an Areal Flood right here in Perryville, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Bel Air, Elton, Rock Hall, and Easton. The only winter storm watch we have is in Oakland. We're going to put these on the description below as always. Other than that, with the numbers, so we're showing 50s in Perryville, Westminster, Washington, Annapolis, Bel Air, Elton, Rock Hall, and Easton. With the cloudy. With the 40s, we're showing Frederick, Hagerstown. That's cloudy. Same 40s is in Oakland and Cumberland. So Cumberland, we're showing 44 light rain, and finally Oakland light rain also. So we do have light rain in Oakland, Cumberland. With the historical weather. So for today, today is Sunday, December 17th. So we're gonna Alright, so with the historical daily high showing 46 degrees, historical daily low is going to be 32 degrees. With the precipitation during historical weather, so we're showing with the historical daily accumulated precipitation 0.14 inch. I want you guys to pronounce this. Accumulated, say it. Accumulated. I want you to say it again. Accumulated. Hope you got it. Alright, moving on. Focus on humidity. Humidity we're definitely showing for today with the historical daily average with more than 70%. And finally, with the wind. So for today, we're showing the historical daily average with 6.5 miles per hour. All right. So with the day, bring an umbrella. It's going to be rain. The high will definitely be 54 degrees. Night, heavy rain is expected. The low will be 52 degrees. Sunny days, 18. Rain and snow days, 10. Average high, 52 degrees. Average low, 38 degrees. With the record high, 64 degrees, 2021. Record low, 20 degrees, 2010. Average high, 48 degrees. Average low, 34 degrees. Alright, with the rain days, 15. Average, 0.15 inch. Records showing 1.23 inch with the year of 2000. Snow days, 6. Average, 0.9 inch. Records, 1.9 inch, 2020. With the sunrise, 7:20 a.m. Sunset, 4:44 p.m. Moonrise, 11:24 a.m. Moonset, 10:04 p.m. Now we already covered for today and tomorrow, and as always, here's the rest of the forecast. Listen up. Tuesday will be mostly sunny around 44. 49 on Wednesday will be 49. Thursday will be mostly sunny, which is 53. Friday will be partly sunny around 47. And finally, Saturday will partly sunny around 45. Now here are the breakdowns. Saturday and Friday will be partly sunny. The only sunny that we're going to get is on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Tuesday will be mostly sunny. And then rain will be today and tomorrow. But the only rain that we're going to get is on today, and the rain showers will be tomorrow.